If you are new to baking, you know that whisking the ingredients to the right consistency of the batter or the dough can be tedious. This is why we always look for appliances that can make our job easy. One such appliance being an electric hand blender. So today for you, here we have an electric hand blender by Kent. This product is easy to use and can be stored anywhere in your kitchen. Let's find out more about this Kent 300 watt electric hand blender. With a variety of its features, this hand blender makes the perfect multi-purpose option to go for. You can even store it anywhere you want. As we unbox this product, we can see a well-packed main blender, egg beaters, dough hooks and a stand. The main hand blender consists of 5 levels of speed control, turbo function, an eject button and space to insert the hooks. The speed controls on this product give you the liberty to mix and blend the ingredients for perfect results every time. At the same time, the blender's turbo function may help you get the kitchen chores done quickly. And the eject buttons makes it easier for you to remove the hooks from the blender. In this blender, Kent has also provided 2 egg beaters and 2 dough mixers. With this variation, you can make a number of things in no time. As for the stand of the product, it is sturdy and has space to fit in the blender and the multiple beaters. With its many advantages, the Kent hand blender also has a powerful copper motor that gives an excellent performance. Copper is known for its low resistance and good conductivity, which keeps the motor cool. So, you won't need to worry about the product heating up. Lastly, the inbuilt overheating protection saves the appliance from any damage caused by overheating for safety concerns.